Hello and welcome back. For weeks we've been battered by heavy rain, so today we're on our way to survey the carnage on Mean Gene. This trail is subject to washouts and erosion on a good day. Hopefully we make it through to the other side, because it wouldn't be the first time Mean Gene sent us back home the way we came in. This is going to be a good one. Grab a warm drink and enjoy the wins and fails of the day. Well, that really didn't take long. If you've been following the channel or come wheeling with us, you know debeated and flat tires, well, it's a commonplace for me. I sent Kyler and Smithy back to my house to get my spare. In the meantime, have a nice sip of your beverage, and I promise we'll be rolling again in no time. That's too close. Still too close. There we go.
was gonna work. I thought you were holding that line and.
Well, our fears came true, and I diffed out hard on this log. And what's worse, you say? My 10-year-old $400 winch from Crappy Tire died right here. We're not even halfway up, Mean Gene. The curse of this trail lives on.
Yeah. I got another winch sitting in the garage, needs a new solenoid, so I'll just throw that one in there too. You want me to unhook you? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I think we're out, right? Oh yeah, I think that's good there.
Yeah, I got a bit of a doozy of a situation going on here. Yeah. Got like a 3-foot fucking trench here.
Yeah, I know, eh?
Yeah. I think that rock will help out a bit though.
Yeah, should I kick her in there?
Definitely. Hell yeah.
The winch cable's still on.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Before you commit too much here.
Oh my god.
Maybe get worse.
It's kind of working.
Just a little bit. A little more maybe. Not too far, like if you can keep straight. Just you won't drop back in if you keep that course. Okay, maybe you will drop back in.
Fuck, that wasn't the way I thought I was gonna flop. I like didn't even know what to do there.
Oh, it's biting so hard. This is actually insane, but I knew it was gonna be crazy. This is fucking insane. Like, this is pushing these rigs as far as they can. I'd like to see Sean's rig in here, actually. Yeah, definitely. It's got a good track record, this thing. You know, only been on its side a couple times. Christmas tree land. Look at it. I'll have to remember that.
That was the meanest Gene yet. We didn't even make it to the bonus line. Next time. I think we'll start earlier too. Anyways, there's so much more carnage to explore. Tune in, subscribe, share if you dig this, and thanks for watching.